Nvidia stock short volume plunges as bears lose control. Amidst the stock market turmoil that gripped the U.S. equity on Monday, January 27, bears appear to have lost their confidence that various shares, including those of technology giants, are ready to fall.
Nvidia just suffered the biggest single-day loss of any stock in history. Time to buy? The release by the Chinese artificial intelligence lab DeepSeek of an AI model that is faster and more efficient than anything currently on the market, and is also free, just sent shockwaves through the AI sector.
Banerji. The market saw a bloodbath with Nvidia down 17%. Gunjan Banerji, lead writer for Markets Live at the Wall Street Journal, discusses how retail investors bought $562 million of Nvidia stock during a significant market downturn. Despite the 17% drop in Nvidia's stock, retail investors used a buy-the-dip strategy.
One reason Nvidia looks like a bargain stock following the DeepSeek news. Other technology stocks trading at relatively low valuations to historical levels include Micron, Supermicro, and Workday.
Bearish turns in NVDA and AMD. Questions surround AI future analysts cut back expectations for a pair of AI stocks. For Nvidia, NVDA, Morgan Stanley trimmed its price target as it raised questions around AI.
NVDA, coming after AMD's CPU business. A day after falling to a new 52-week low, AMD Inc., AMD, is downgraded to hold from buy at Melius Research. Jenny Horn shares why the analyst thinks the stock could be in trouble regardless of the DeepSeek news, as Nvidia, NVDA, looks to take market share in CPUs for accelerated PCs.
Nvidia and other chip stocks are set to bounce. Is now the time to buy? Multiple analysts saw Monday's sharp semiconductor pullbacks as overdone. One said they could prove a buying opportunity in hindsight once the dust settles.
Nvidia. Other AI-focused stocks rebound somewhat after Monday's sell-off. Nvidia, NVDA, and other artificial intelligence stocks at the forefront of the AI revolution are rebounding somewhat in pre-market trading Tuesday after a sell-off triggered by Chinese startup DeepSeek's launch of a cutting-edge model at a fraction of the cost of its U.S. rivals.
Nvidia CEO Huang loses $20 billion. A lot of people and institutions lost a lot of money as Nvidia Corp., Nasdaq, NVDA, shed $590 billion in market cap when the tech world realized how good the new Chinese DeepSeek artificial intelligence, AI, software is.
NVDA, AVGO, and AMD forecast. Chips look to recover on Tuesday. The microchip sector was hammered on Monday as the DeepSeek drama had everyone running for the hills. The market looks as if it is starting to question the story though, and these companies are looking to recover.
Nvidia, AI stocks recover slightly in pre-market after Monday's DeepSeek Rout. Key U.S. chips and AI stocks mounted a recovery in pre-market trading early Tuesday after being heavily routed a day earlier amid a market panic triggered by the successful launch of Chinese startup DeepSeek's latest AI model, which raised questions about U.S. leadership in the space.
Will Nvidia stock crash below $100? Monday, January 27th, was a veritable bloodbath in the financial markets. One in which Nvidia, Nasdaq, NVDA, was among the hardest hit companies.
Nvidia still is the only game in town for the most powerful chips. Advisor Capital's Joanne Feeney, Advisor's capital management partner and portfolio manager, joins Squawk Box to discuss the latest market trends, what to make of the tech sell-off on Monday, impact of DeepSeek on the AI race, and more.
Terra Metals hits high-grade titanium from surface as Dante multi-commodity potential grows. Terra Metals Limited has unearthed high-grade titanium mineralization from surface at the Dante project in the West Musgrave region of Western Australia, with additional concentrations of copper, platinum group metals, and vanadium over a 2.5-kilometer-long strike. The company says its results highlight the presence of consistent, shallow mineralization with potential for a large-scale, high-grade polymetallic.
Nvidia is rebounding after biggest market cap loss in history, but it's a fragile bounce. The chipmaker rose after plunging 17% on Monday.
Market panic over DeepSeek? Why Nvidia's $500 billion drop is pure hysteria. Yesterday, a piece of breaking news sent technology stocks into a tailspin. The Chinese startup DeepSeek developed an AI chatbot that reportedly rivaled models from industry leaders like OpenAI, Anthropic, and Alphabet at a fraction of the cost.
OpenAI, Nvidia greets DeepSeek's cheaper AI model. Both OpenAI and Nvidia Corp on Monday offered their verdicts on DeepSeek's artificial intelligence announcement, appearing to welcome the cheaper and less data-hungry bot. Sam Altman, chief executive of ChatGPT maker OpenAI, vowed improvement and greeted the rival in response.
Prediction: once the panic dies down, Nvidia stock will soar to a new record high. The Nasdaq Composite has led the market higher over the past couple of years, and while improving economic conditions have likely been the biggest catalyst, developments in the field of artificial intelligence, AI, run a close second. AI has been around for decades, but recent advancements have the potential to be a game-changer by streamlining mundane tasks and increasing productivity.
Nvidia to bounce back. After DeepSeek pummeling Nvidia Corp shares were on course to partially bounce back ahead of Tuesday's trading, as the week's early global tech sell-off appeared to peter out. Having been victim of heavy selling over jitters sparked by the release of DeepSeek's artificial intelligence bot last week, shares regained 5% to reach $124 in pre-market trading.
Nvidia stock rises. Why DeepSeek AI worries are overblown. The chipmaker saw its market value drop by $593 billion, the biggest one-day drop for any listed company on record.